Hi, finally I decided to purchase this kit. And it would be only my second kit from Bronco. The first one was Italian tankette L3. And I think that this is amazing kit, I mean Bronco. Weird SPG with interior, with powerful gun and a lot of different details in this box. Also a lot of decals and metallic parts inside. The painting reference for 4 available vehicles. I love unusual models, unusual kits, and the British 70-pounder SPG one of them. Okay, we will quickly observe it, this video not pretending to be very detailed, but if you want I'll leave some links with the observation of this kit in internet. We can find in the box well-packed grey plastic sprues. It seems that there is not so many details, but actually there are a lot of them. They are small and they are everywhere. Okay, let's start quickly observation of this vehicle. Separate plastic brownish truck links in this package, a lot of them, but they look good, clear and precisely casted details. They should be okay in work, and the main thing about them that they are kinda workable, so you can assemble them without the glue and easily adjust on your kit, but it seems that there is a little problem that they are fragile and can be easily disassembled, so I think the glue in any case is a must-have during assembling work, but it is still be easier than just separate gluable truck links. Okay, we have here lower part of the hull, a lot of details on it, rivets and so on. Interesting that plastic is thin, that is good, and hopefully there is no deformation of this lower part of the hull, because thin plastic can be easily deformed during casting process, actually after it. We also have some relief inside, but this detail would be covered with the upper hull section, kinda this way. So in lower part of the hull would be located only transmission. Yep, we have here transmission, but there is no engine in this kit. By the way, upper part of the hull is kinda deformed. It is also from thin plastic, but I think we can connect it and straighten it in during assembly process. So if the lower part of the hull okay, the upper part would be connected in right position and geometry to the lower part. And we can see that there are a lot of details here, they are compactly located. So one of the next sprues, it also looks deformed, but I think that everything okay with the details itself. We can see here armored panels around the gun, ammo storage boxes and a lot of other smaller details. Welding seams are here, a lot of details. Well, actually even that Italian tankette had a lot of small stuff, so this kit especially. Next sprue interesting, first of all by gun located on it. It's a powerful 70-pounder big gun that can fight against tiger tanks and so on. And the great news that this gun casted in a single piece with the minor welding seams, which we can easily sand with a sandpaper. I hope it would be okay after the layers of paint. And muzzle brake also looks okay. We can find here at least one shell and other details for gun and for other purposes. Next sprue smaller. This includes details of transmission, ventilators and so on. I don't know whether these details would be visible, but it seems that we can provide doors and hatches for transmission compartment in open position. So I think we can make this transmission visible if we want. Next two sprues identical, actually rollers and chassis in general. The same as for Valentine infantry tank, which became a basis for this self-propelled gun. And the interesting fact that it seems that these details were reused from mini art Valentine kit. Well, at least if we compare the images, they are similar. I hope this suspension would be okay, and actually it's okay in work. I test there several details in assembling. These two sprues partially duplicated with small and extra small details. Yep, the interior kits. Yes, this SPG interior kit. We have here interior. Everything except engine, so such a kits usually have a lot of details. Because we're assembling it both from inner and outer sides of the vehicle. So we find here even armament, some bags and satchels. Some of details are extremely small. Not an easy work ahead, but they are clear and precise. Okay, tasty things now. Package where I found decals for 4 painting options. Well, actually I'm already decided which one I want to use in this kit. Feature of Bronco kits that they usually have a lot of metallic parts from the box, and this time too big plate, so a lot of work also with the metallic stuff, and that makes assembling process more interesting. Also we have here thread. It's look a little bit weird because it's, I think, too much thin as an imitation of towing cables. Just look on the box. That cable's thicker, so I think we replace these threads, but that's not a big deal. And we also have several transparent details, which also good for triplexes and headlights. Finally, details finished. Instruction printed on fine glossy paper. We can read here short historical reference if we want. Well, and there are totally 30 pages of instruction here. Detailed process for detailed kit. Not an easy kit, better suited for advanced modelers who have more time and experience for work with such a kits, but it also exists an alternative version of this SPG. I mean that you can find similar kit but from Tamiya, which has less number of details and level of detalization, would be much easier in work, but it also have features inside, but the Bronco kit haven't them. So if we check painting schemes, we can find here several options. One fully olive drop vehicle, another 3 vehicles camouflage for West European and Italian front lines. Well, I'm interested in first option, but it seems to be fake. So if we talk in general about this kit, I think it's amazing kit from Bronco. Maybe it too much complicated sometimes, but why not? There are a lot of details, higher detalization, a lot of work ahead. Also the interesting fact that we have a lot of details which marked in instruction for late version of SPG, but there is no any painting references for late version of this Archer, or there is no alternative kits from Bronco with late versions of Archer, I mean that can participate in some other afterwork conflicts. Moreover, it seems that this company no longer works with the model kits. But from the other side, there are a lot of other kits from Chinese and other manufacturers. So no problems for modelers, we can find nowadays a lot of enormous number of kits, and that's great. Anyway, such a box with a little bit weird but interesting vehicle, and I guess it would be one of the projects of this channel. Anyway, thank you for watching, have a nice day, hope you enjoy, and bye guys.